Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. If you're serious about your culinary adventures, you're going to love what we have in store for you today. I present to you the Breville Super Q Blender, a powerhouse of a machine that's ready to elevate your blending game to a whole new level. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. First things first, let's unbox this culinary marvel and see what's inside. As we peel back the layers, you'll immediately notice the quality and craftsmanship that Breville is renowned for. This blender isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a work of art designed to make your culinary dreams come true. Before we dive into the blending magic, let's talk tech specs. The Super Q boasts an impressive 1800 watts of power, making it one of the most powerful blenders in its class. With a voltage rating of 120 volts, it's ready to handle anything you throw at it. Plus, it comes with a 10-year limited product warranty, giving you peace of mind. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Super Q apart: its super quick and powerful blending capabilities. With a jaw-dropping 2400 watt motor, this blender can tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. It's like having a culinary superhero in your kitchen. The 186 miles per hour blade tip speed ensures quick and smooth results, whether you're blending fruits, vegetables, or anything in between. The Super Q takes the guesswork out of blending with its 5 one-touch programs. Whether you're in the mood for a silky smoothie, crushing ice, or creating hot to cold soups, this blender has you covered. And the best part, it optimizes time and speed to deliver the tastiest results every time. When it comes to versatility, the Super Q doesn't disappoint. With 12 speed settings, you have complete control over your blending experience. From nut butter to creamy dips and zesty dressings, this blender can do it all. And thanks to its noise suppression technology, you'll enjoy high performance without the ear-piercing noise. But wait, there's more. The Super Q comes with a personal blender attachment, allowing you to create drinks on the go. It's perfect for those quick, healthy shakes or smaller batches of food. The intelligent base recognizes whether you're using the 68 ounces jug or the personal blending cup, optimizing performance accordingly. For those seeking the ultimate texture in their blends, the Super Q is compatible with the VAC-Q vacuum pump. By removing air from the jug before blending, you'll achieve smoother textures, brighter colors, and richer flavors. The VAC-Q is sold separately, but trust me, it's a game changer. Let's talk convenience. The Super Q features an innovative assist lid with a unique ring pull design, making it easy to remove while ensuring a tight seal during operation. And cleanup. It's a breeze with the one-touch auto-clean function, using clean water or detergent to get your jug and blades sparkling clean. Included in the package, you'll find a recipe book filled with culinary inspiration, a tamper for those thick blends, and a spatula to ensure no delicious drop goes to waste. The Super Q comes with a generous 68 ounces extra durable copolyester jug and a 24 ounces personal blending cup, perfect for all your blending needs. In conclusion, the Breville Super Q Blender is a culinary powerhouse that deserves a spot in every kitchen. Its unmatched power, precision, and versatility make it a game changer for both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs. Ready to elevate your blending game? Click the link below to make the Breville Super Q Blender your trusted kitchen companion. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with the latest kitchen innovations. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next culinary masterpiece.